A mean one.
Angry Birds.
Yeah, I found an angry one.
Yeah?
Yeah, but don't open it.
Let me see the package. We got an Angry Bird. Angry Bird Smash-ums.
I don't open that. I open it.
You want mommy to help you?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Another one.
Oh no, another one.
Yeah.
That's okay. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 Angry Birds.
The one to go.
We got one more.
Yeah.
I think this is a good one.
What is it? That one.
You got the red one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yay. Angry Birds. So let's see what you got. You got
Oh, shall I see it?
1, 2, 3,
3,
4.
4.
And let's see the red one. Hold it up. You happy?
Yeah.
You got Mash-ums.
I can't open one.
You got the Angry Bird Mash-ums. Series number 4.
I'll show it.
And let's open him.
I'll open him. I'll open him.
You got him? Okay, put it with your collection.
I can't hold him.
You got him out? It's a little tricky. You got him.
I get one more. Wanna try that one?
Okay.
It's pink.
It's pink.
Yeah.
Look, it's a Smash-'em.
Oh, hi, I'm the red one.
Hi, I'm the red one.
Oh, no. Red one.
I'm the red one.
And I choose.
You got 2 of the same?
Yeah.
You're squeezing it like a Mash-'em?
Hello.
Hello.
With two widows.
2 little?
No, two widows.
Oh, okay.
Two widows with me.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Why pink?
Why am I pink? Why are you yellow?
No, red widow.
You're yellow. I'm pink.
White, be red.
I'm red. That's right. I'm red, not pink.
No, you pink.
Yes, I'm red.
What try these? With two widows.
Okay.
With those two.